This is a short training video to show you how to load Survey123 onto your mobile device, sign in, and add your first test point using the SAR data collection form. The first step is to find the Survey123 for ArcGIS app in your Apple App Store, Google Play, Windows, or Amazon stores. You can search for it, or you can click on the links here on the website on the landing page. Once it is installed, you will want to open the application. If it's your first time using Survey123, it should ask you to sign in. Go ahead and click Sign In. To sign in, use the username and password provided to you by the IAFC. I highly encourage you to write these down on a piece of paper and take a photo of it. Once you are signed in, you will need to get the survey. You can do this by searching for it under SAR Field Data Collection. You can also scan this QR code on your screen using your iPhone camera or using an Android camera, but you'll have to hold down the home button or use a QR code scanner app. If you have this website open on your phone, you can also just click on the link provided. It's important that you allow Survey123 to access your location while you're using the app, so please click Allow. If you miss this step, you'll just have to go into your phone settings to allow it later on. We're going to begin filling out the form. Enter in your team and your name, and then click on this hamburger button to set those answers as your favorite to save the next time you use the form. Next, let's plot our location. You can click on the target icon and see if it's accurate enough. I'm indoors right now, but you may be getting better readings. Or you can open the map simply by clicking on it. Once you click on the map, it should open, and you can drag the pin to the location that you're in or the waypoint that you want to report. For instance, it might be across the street from you and it's not safe to go there. You can also search an address or USNG coordinates in the box above and change base maps. You'll see that in the user guide and in further videos. When you're happy with the location of the point, click the checkbox below. And now we're ready to enter our waypoint. In the user guide, you can read through each of these waypoint types and the types of follow-up questions for each. In this test, we're going to choose Other. Once you've chosen Other, choose Waypoint Extra 24 from the bottom in the drop-down. We'll designate this as the point for adding general location updates when we're not collecting data. Then, just add a comment indicating that this is a test. When filling in text boxes like this, you can try voice-to-text to speed up the process. You also have the option of adding photos that will be viewable in the command post. This will be especially important for reporting damage and flood levels. When you're happy with the form, click on the green checkbox at the bottom. Later, we'll show you how to go back and make edits using the inbox if it's needed. Since we have an internet connection now, I'll send now. If you don't have a stable connection, go ahead and click Send Later. Now that you've entered your first point, it'll be added to the database and layer for others to view in Maps and Apps. You can see the latest point in our web map here. You can also see the point on our operations dashboard, which we'll cover in a separate video. Now that you've got the survey on your device, we encourage you to add a test point and read the user guide. It makes sense for 1 to 2 people on your team to be comfortable collecting data when it's safe to do so, of course. We hope that you find this training helpful.